Safety alarms are placed in machineries by manufacturers to get an early warning of any failure or abnormality and to avoid breakdown of machinery. These alarms are to be tested at regular intervals as specified in the manuals. Superintendent will plan those safety alarms from office and similar to PMS jobs. He then sends it to ship. Let's examine the steps to create safety alarm entries. Select Safety Alarms from the submenu and then select Planning. Click on the Advanced Search button. Enter the component name and click on the Go button. Select Pump Room Bilge Alarm from the component list. Enter Safety Alarm name. Choose the valid designation from the drop-down list for the field Responsibility. Select the unit of measurement from the list. Select Appropriate Action from the list. Select a valid frequency type. Select a value for frequency. Enter a value for alert value. Click on the Save button. The alarm entry is added. The safety alarm testing which was planned by the superintendent needs to be tested based on the schedule. The second engineer, after completing the overhaul of the auxiliary engine, tests the safety alarms for the engine as per the procedure defined. A few of the safety alarms tested by the second engineer are lube oil low pressure alarm, jacket water high temperature alarm, and so on. Now, consider the entry for safety alarm completion in Ship Manager. Select Safety Alarms from the submenu and then select Completion. Click on the Advanced Search button. Enter the component name and click on the Go button. Select Pump Room Bilge Alarm 1 from the component list. Select the High Pressure Alarm from the list of components. Select a valid date from the date picker for the field Completion Date. Click on the Save button. The safety alarm completion entry is added. The ship is discharging iron ore in Chennai. Both the auxiliary engines are required to be run for the next 2 days since the discharging completes. The safety alarm testing of the number 1 auxiliary engine is due at port. But the generator is running and can't be stopped for testing. The testing of alarm will be postponed for 2 days. Follow the steps in Ship Manager for safety alarm reschedule. Select Safety Alarms from the submenu and then select Reschedule. Click on the Advanced Search button. Enter the component name and click on the Go button. Select Pump Room Bilge Alarm 1 from the component list. Select the High Pressure Alarm from the list of components. Select a valid date from the date picker for the field Rescheduled to. Click on the Save button. The Safety Alarm Rescheduled entry is added.